You're welcome to another very impactful and very exciting training session. Today we'll be looking at how to produce medicated hair cream. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, here you have the list of chemicals I'll be needing to produce this small batch of medicated hair cream. You can pause this video at this time, write them down, then come with me as we go right into the training. You're welcome to today's video. Today we'll be looking at how to produce. We'll be producing medicated hair cream. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, let's go through the list of chemicals I'll be needing to produce this batch of medicated hair cream. When I say medicated hair cream, I mean those kind of hair cream that you can use to treat scalp infections like ringworm and dandruff and the other scalp infections. So let's go through the list of chemicals and their quantity. Number one, we'll be using a paraffin oil. This is a paraffin oil. I'll be using 1/8. 1/8 is 125 ml. 125 ml of paraffin oil. 1/8 liters. I'll be using a jelly. We'll be using 116 grams, which is 62.5 grams. That is, we'll be using 1/16 of a kg. 1/16 of a kg. That's 1 kg divided into 16, which is 62.5. I'm producing a very small batch because this is a sample batch I'm producing for use. So I'll be producing the jelly is 62.5 grams. You can either multiply everything by 2 if you want to make a bigger batch, or by 3, or by 4, or by 5, depending on the size of the batch that you want to make. And this is our paraffin wax. We'll be using just about 12.5 grams of paraffin wax. And this is lanolin. I'll just be using just a small, like half teaspoon of my lanolin. And this is my glycerin. I'll be using just about 10 ml of glycerin. This is my vitamin E. I'll be using just about 10 ml also. And this is my perfume. I'll be using, you can add your perfume to suit. You can decide to use whatever type of perfume that you want to use. But here I'll be using banana, because I want you to have that banana sweet smelling fragrance of banana. And to give it that medicated effect, we'll be adding a sulfur. This is sulfur. It treats anything skin infection and the likes, and hair and scalp infections. I'll be using just like half spoon of sulfur for this small batch of petrol, and then I'll be adding my menthol, just like half cup of menthol, to give it that cooling, soothing smell. Let me bring the menthol out to show you what it is like. Look at it. This is what menthol is like. I'll be adding just like half wrap of menthol. So let's dive right into the production. Come with me. Okay, let's go right into the production of medicated hair cream. The first thing we did is to place our pot on fire. Added color. These are paraffin oil. Added color. I'll be using color yellow, so it can give me that yellow color of that medicated hair cream. So I've added color already into my paraffin oil. Then I'll pour into my pot. Remember, you're doing this on very, very low heat. Let the heat be very low so that it will not burn. The next I'll do is to add my jelly. Remember, we've measured everything already. I'll add my jelly and I'll allow it to melt. I'll add my jelly and I'll allow it to melt. I'll add my jelly. I'm using electric cooker, so when it is too hot, I'll just off. I'll add my jelly, and while it's melting, I'm going to add my wax, paraffin wax. Maybe if we measured everything, so I'll add it and I'll allow. Okay, let me cut the paraffin wax into little bits so that okay, so I've cut my paraffin wax into little bits so that it will melt easily, and I'll pour it in. I'll pour in my paraffin wax. While it's melting, I'll allow it to melt. While it's melting, I'll add my lanolin. Like I said, I'll be using just about half teaspoon. This is my lanolin. I'll add it. I'll add, this is my vitamin E. I'll add like 10 ml. I'll be adding 10 ml of vitamin E. Vitamin E, 10 ml. I'll add my glycerin. I'm adding 10 ml also. 10 ml of glycerin. You can see everything is melted already. Then I'll add my menthol. This is my menthol. I'll add my menthol, and I'll add my sulfur. I'll add my sulfur, and I'll bring them down before adding my perfume. Okay, so our reduction has cooled off a bit. So add our perfume, about 10 ml of perfume. Add it. Stir very, very well. Stir very. I'm already feeling that medicated effect of the hair cream all over me. So once you're done stirring well, then you pour into your container and allow it to solidify. Thank you. So here we have our hair cream, finished product of our hair cream. Here is it. See, beautiful. How beautiful. Very beautiful. So just go ahead, follow the steps and produce your own. See? Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Go ahead and produce yours. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post new videos, as I do that every week. Thank you.